Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Letra Z School, Jhansi. Students, today we are going to start new chapter in class 11 Business Studies. That is chapter 7, Sources of Business Finance. In today's class, we will discuss about business finance concept, its significance, nature, and how we can define this term, business finance. So let's begin. Business finance refers to capital needs, capital funds and credit funds invested in the business. Financing means making business available when it is needed. Business finance combinedly may be defined as a planning, raising, managing and controlling all the money used or capital funds of any kind used in connection with business. Once again, I repeat this important definition. Business finance may be defined as planning, raising, managing and controlling all the money used or capital funds of any kind used in connection with business. Finance is that business activity which is concerned with the acquisition and conservation of capital funds in meeting the financial needs and overall objective of business enterprises. Finance is the major function of business of any and every business. It deals with the arrangement of any adequate amount of capital to achieve the objectives of the enterprise. Now, what is the nature and significance of business finance? No one can start a business or run an enterprise without sufficient or adequate amount of funds. Every business requires some capital. Every business requires some money to start, which is called initial capital. The amount of capital required depends upon the nature, size of the business which you are going to carry. Now, business enterprise requires capital and finance for the following purpose. Basically, why we require capital and finance for any business enterprises? Basically, there are three reasons for it. While starting a business, finance is required to procure means to purchase or acquire fixed asset and also for meeting day-to-day expense which is known as working capital. So we require finance for purchasing the fixed asset and for running that business we have to meet with working capital. To meet the WC, that is working capital requirement, when the production process is lengthy. In some case, production cycle is short and in some case, production cycle is lengthy. So in the case of a lengthy, we require good amount of WC. Whereas in case of short production cycle, we require less WC amount. To finance the growth and expansion of the project of the company, we need fixed capital. Everyone wants to expand, grow, diversify its business, and for expanding the business or expanding the product line, we require finance. So we need business finance. Adequate finance provides the following benefit to the business. If you are having sufficient amount of money, then you will enjoy lots of benefits. The firm can meet its liability on time. That is your commitment which are financially related. The firm can carry on its business smoothly, nicely, without any troubles and hassles. The firm can adopt latest high technology and new innovative ideas or methods of productions. The firm can make use of its business opportunities. Sometimes business opportunities knocks, so you can avail these opportunities only when you are having sufficient amount of capital. The firm can face intense competition more strongly. You can face your rival competition very strongly and boldly. The firm can replace its assets and machinery whenever it is required. When you want to update your machinery, you can easily go for it. And last, the firm can face recession, depression, period of trade cycle. So students, that's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.